Hello and welcome back programmers. Spidey is back with one another video. So in this video I'm going to tell about a license plate recognition system. So around 3 or 4 months ago I have uploaded one video of the testing which is showing about a license plate recognition technique. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can make this system using your own Python code. So let's see how it's working. So before starting video, just I want to tell that if you have not subscribed my channel, then just go to my channel and visit my channel at once. There are lots of playlists available regarding machine learning, deep learning, OpenCV projects, and there are lots of things available on my channel. So you will get lots of more videos from my channel in the future regarding Python, machine learning, deep learning, OpenCV, and more. So just subscribe our channel and support us. So now first let me run this program for you because it will create some excitement level. So how it will working? So you can see this is the car of the image. This is the image of the any car. Actually, I have downloaded lots of images of the car from the internet, from the Google. Now you can see this license plate is detected, and you can see KA05ME2190. So this is the license plate register number of that vehicle. So we are developing one a license plate recognition system. If you don't know about this, then this technology is known as ALPR, automatic license plate recognition system, which is very useful and which is very popular in other countries like USA, Canada, and more of the Western countries. But in our India, this technology is not more grew up. So I am making this. Actually, I'm doing this for my college project, but yeah, I got actually amazing and good result. So you can see result car belongs to Karnataka, and you can see we got the result as well here. So how we can do this thing? So you need to have some libraries and all. So now how you can do this thing? You can see this is the crop number plate here. So let me close all this, and now let's see how we can create this from the scratch. So first of all, you need to open the command prompt. You should have a basic Python programming skill, because sometimes what happen, actually people comment like no module name numpy, no module name matplotlib. These all are errors people are commenting in my YouTube videos, and sometimes I feel like they doesn't know about the Python programming language and they are making machine learning projects. So that should not be done. You should understand the basic of the first. So you need to have this libraries numpy. So for just go to command prompt, type pip install numpy. After the installation of numpy, just use OpenCV contrib python. After that, pip install pytesseract. So after these three installation of the library, we are using OCR engine, which is called OCR, means optical character recognition, which is a technology which is useful to find the text from any image. This is the most popular technology from this century. So you need to have the knowledge about some of the OCR. So we are using the pytesseract engine for number plate recognition. So now we need to download the one other software which is called the Tesseract engine for the Windows. I don't know about actually Mac and other operating system, but I think it is available for the Linux and Windows also. I'm not sure about the Mac. If you are using Mac, then just go to Google and search about pytesseract exe for Mac. You will get. So read this article. I'm not going to deep. Just here it is a link. You can download the Tesseract engine from here. You just need to install that exe in your Windows system. Now you need to import this library. Before starting program, you need to import all this, like import cvt, pytesseract, numpy. Then you need to install the pytesseract engine path here in your program, means in your working program. So you can see pytesseract.pytesseract.tesseract.cmd. Then you need to paste the path where actually your tesseract engine is located. So let's see how my actually path is located here. Okay, just go to the C drive. in program files, tesseract OCR. Okay, so tesseract SCR, we have opened this file. If you install tesseract.exe, then you will get this all in the your program files, and this is the your tesseract engine. So just what we are doing, we are running this tesseract.exe via our Python program. Then what we need to do? So now let me open the notepad first, so just I can explain you very properly. I think this tutorial will be longer than, so don't worry about it. If you want to learn, then you need to watch the full video. Okay, so what will be our first step? So first of all, we will upload any image of the car in our program. Obviously we will use OpenCV. Now we need to detect the number plate, detect the number plate, or we can say license plate. So how we can do this thing? So if you have listen about face detection, so the concept is same. We are using Haar cascading technique for the number plate detection. You can use YOLO object detection for the number plate detection. You will get more good result and accuracy. But for the simplicity here, I am using Haar cascading technique. So let's see how we can do this thing. Now after the detection of the number plate, what is your third approach is recognize the number plate. And this is our final step. After the getting the in the fourth step, you will get LPR, means the license plate register number. Okay, so in fourth step your program will be completed. So now you need to initialize your Haar cascade file here. So how you can download this file? You need to download this file, Haar cascade Russian plate.xml. So just go to the Google and place this here. You will get in this OpenCV GitHub repository, and just click on the row and save link as. You can download via easily. Put this in your working directory. Now according to your RTO, means your country RTO, if you are belong to other country, you need to define state details here. You just need to create a dictionary, means AN for Andaman Nicobar, AP for Andhra Pradesh, GJ for Gujarat, MH for Maharashtra. If you want to recognize the state of the car, it is kind of the extra functionality. If you don't want to add, then you can ignore it. Now it's time to create the function. And I have created one function, def extract number. Now this function will require one image file, obviously. So this is our parameter for our image for the function. Now I need to image is equal to cv2.imread, then image file name. So we are reading our image with the cv2. So if you don't understand what is cv2, then cv2 is OpenCV computer vision library. It is called OpenCV, or you can say computer vision also. So it is known as the cv2. It is the most powerful library. It contains the thousands of algorithm in the OpenCV library wrapper, and it is built with the C and C++. Now in another line, gray is equal to cv2.cvt color, then we are actually transferring our image into black and white image. So just assume that let me give you example. I'm considering this T30 image. Okay, now I'm giving this image to program. So now program will convert this image into black and white. Okay, after the black and white, doing conversion of the black and white image, I am going to detect the number plate of the any car from the image. Okay, so now we human can recognize this is the number plate of the car, but how computer will do? So it is the same as concept like simple face detection. If you know what is about the face detection and how it is working, if you have not watched that video, so first of all watch that video of the face detection. You will get how number plate detection is working in that video. The concept is very similar. So now from this image, from this car image, we can get the number plate. So how our number plate we will get? So let me clear this. You will get this kind of the cropped number plate, but how we will? So first of all, We need to initialize our number plate here, and plate is equal to cascade dot detect multiscale, then gray and 1.1 and 4. So this is the good value for the nearest neighbor. And actually we configure this value. Actually after the setting lots of values, I got the good accuracy in the detection. So I have set this value 1.1 and 4. This is the nearest neighbor value. So with this value you will get the lot good accuracy for the number plate detection. Okay, so after the number plate detection we will get the 4 coordinates in this n plate variable: x, y, w and h. X and y and width and height. Now what we are doing, we are iterating for loop. Okay, obviously we need to iterate the for loop. And now what we will do, so from this car image, you actually let me open once again. So understand this is the T30 image. I am cropping this portion of the number plate. So understand this is the full image of the car. Now we got this plate here, we got the image of this number plate. Now I am cropping this number plate from that original image. After the cropping of the number plate, what we are doing, so in this line we are cropping the number plate. You can see in this two line we are cropping the number plate. After the cropping the number plate, we need to do the some image processing here. So let me write here image processing here. You can do more image processing, you will get the more amazing accuracy. So now the format is fixed for the my number plate, because number plate is always contain black and white. So I will get this number plate here. Okay, now I need to do some image processing here. So what I am doing, I am creating the brighter image. Actually I am doing image editing. Just simple as like if you get the screenshot in your mobile, then you can change the brightness, you can crop. So that's what I am doing here. I am cropping this number plate from here, and now I am changing the brightness, or we can say sharpness of the image. So here I am using the threshold technique. So now you can see kernel is equal to np.1. Then I'm using cv2 delete and error technique. After the delete and error technique, I'm converting this image into once again into gray. So after the this processing here, I'm converting my image into black and white. Okay, after the black and white conversion, I'm at the end of our image processing, I'm applying in threshold. So let's see how threshold images look like. So this is an example of the threshold image I have saved here. So let me let me zoom it. You can see this is the zoom image. So you can see I have applied a threshold image here. So that's how your number plate will look like after the image processing. Okay, so now it's time to do the our next task. So our our two step done here. We have detected number plate and we have cropped the number plate also. Now it's time to recognize the number plate. Okay, so now there are lots of ways available to open to recognize the number plate, but what we will choose, so you can first option is you can choose the deep learning like convolutional neural network algorithms, or you can use any pre-trained algorithm to detect and recognize the number, means understand the text from that image. If you know about little bit about the MNIST, then in MNIST what we are doing, we are fetching the text from that image data set of the 0 to 9 digit. So you can use deep learning and convolutional neural network technique. Now another option is that use pre-trained OCR engine. Now OCR means optical character recognition. So we don't need to do anything. Already pre-trained OCR engine is built by open source contributors. Okay, so obviously we will use this OCR engine. So we have downloaded, I think I have given this article. You can download this OCR engine for the Windows from here. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to install PyTestReg library. As I told, you need to install PyTestReg library here. Now come back to the code. Now you need to just import the PyTestReg first. I think we have imported it. Now what we need to write here, read is equal to pytesseract dot image to string. So actually there is a one method is available, image to string. So what it will do, it will scan the all of the image and it will return the text format of the content which is available in the image. So I think you got this. This function name says it all, image to string. So in this image to string we need to pass our this number plate, this pre-processed number plate which we have edited. So we need to pass this image processed number plate into this function. Okay, after the getting this number plate, at the end we will get result something like this, but in we are getting the result into string format. Now we need to do some string processing also. So we are using this read is equal to join, and we are just simply clearing the string, because sometimes what happen, due to some problem and due to some less accuracy, we got the special and extra characters in our recognition. So that's why read is equal to join, I'm using is number, is alpha number, is a one kind of the string method. So let me print this. Okay, so let me clear for you. I'm printing read here, and after that I'm printing reading here. Okay, so let me run this application, so it will clear. In some of the image it happen, in some of the image it could not happen. So you can see ka05me. So now you can see there is a blank space between these numbers. So I need to remove this blank space. That's why I'm using e dot is alnum, and there are lots of methods available for the string. You can do string processing whatever you want. Now we got the our number plate here, but now we need to initialize state wise. So what part of this number plate describe the state? So you can see ka05. So obviously first two number describe the state authority. So I have defined state is equal to read of 0 to 2. Okay, so this string slicing will return first two character of the number plate, and then I'm printing print car belongs to state. Now state is a dictionary, and state is our got ka, means ka means first two letter of the string. So if in this part I got the ka of the two letters, so I need to find in the dictionary where kn is available. So go to the control F, ka. So you can see in the ka value, in the ka key, my value is a Karnataka. So Karnataka is my value and Ka is my key. So it will return me a value of that key, and it will return me car belongs to Karnataka. Otherwise, if sometimes what happen, the actually OCR engine sometimes doesn't give accuracy properly. So what it will do, it will give me a good result like KAP. It will return KAP or KZ. So there is a no state available for this kind of the word. So it will give me exception, means it will give error, state not recognized. After that we are just putting the rectangle, and once again I'm putting the rectangle, and once again I'm putting the text on that frame. So what we are doing, in this detector part of this rectangle, on this number plate I am putting the first rectangle here, then second rectangle of the which is a filled rectangle here, and on that filled rectangle I am putting my recognized number plate. So that's and end of the program. I am using cv2.im show, which is for the plate. So this is your image process number plate will look like. So you can see comparison. I don't know where. Okay, so you can see this is the crop number plate which we have done on the image processing on this number plate, and this is the result image here. And at the end of the code I'm saving the result image, and I'm just displaying the my result, and this is my function call. So if you want to do the more if you want to see the more result, so let me actually I have thousands of, not a thousand, but I have almost many images regarding. So let's see the result by one. So you can see. Okay, so let me try on any of the car. Okay, so it's hard to guess. Okay, so my favorite is actually lots of, actually I'm the car lover, so let's try on the T29. T29 and let's run this program. So you can see Delhi DL8CAE0754. So accuracy is perfect. Car belongs to Delhi. Obviously DL belongs to Delhi. Now let me do on this. Let me check for another T24. It is the celebrity car. Yeah, okay. So here I got the wrong prediction HH02CW7668, but actually it is not HH, it is the MH. So you can see we got the error, state not recognized. So that's what I'm telling. Sometimes it depends on the image, yeah, image cropping, and actually there are lots of sometimes you get the proper result, sometimes you will not get. Okay, so let me try on the T27. Actually I have built one GUI actually, but this I am not uploading this code as open source because this is my project of the my current semester. So I'm not giving this code to open source, but I think from this tutorial you will get idea how you can create the simple car number plate recognition system. So let me upload this image. Okay, so let me choose okay, this car, detect number plate. Okay, so you can see actually this is our family car GJ01. Actually it is Centrozing. You will get this crop number plate here. Actually I'm just you can see here I'm getting also this crop number plate. So you can see plate is GJ01KA5472, GJ015472. license plate is, you can save image from this button also. So let me try on this Creta is my favorite car ever. KA51H68. Okay, so here I got the wrong prediction. Let me try on another car, T28. Let's try in T28. DL7CE6872. Okay, so I got the perfect result here, but in this view I have not integrated state. Okay, so let me do for the Fortuner T21. So okay, so like it is AS01, but it's showing S01D. Okay, so this number plate is showing sometimes correct and sometimes it depend on the accuracy. Okay, let's see on the T5. So you can see MH20 EE7598. So here I got the full accuracy. Okay, so test me for this car TN24BZ0. Okay, so here in the end I got the wrong accuracy, wrong number. Okay, so let's see for this car DL7C. So DL7CN5617. Okay, so here it is working perfectly. So I think guys you got all of the things how you can make your number plate recognition. Okay, so I'm not opening this code for the now. After my submission and all the things I will publish this code onto my GitHub, but currently I'm not doing this. Okay, so I think this is the end of the video. I think if you have not got anything, then you can just like, okay, first of all like and share this video. And I'm aiming for just this video because this is a very demandable video ever. So I'm demanding around 50 likes on my videos. Like and share with your friends and comment down your doubts below. If you have any doubt, then you just comment down here. I will try to solve your problem, but don't comment the silly. Sometimes it's irritate me because sometimes I got like errors like simple error like numpy is not defined, tensorflow is not defined, dll not found. It is a simple error, just you need to go to Stack Overflow, you will get the solution. So it's my humble request. Okay, so I'm ending this video. So guys, thank you for the listening me. Don't forget to subscribe Machine Learning Hub, and we are in this week we will just reach at the 2K subscriber in just very short time. So after the someday Machine Learning Hub community will be bigger, 2000 subscriber. So guys, see you in the next one. Until that, keep coding. Thank you for the listening me.